Hey guys, I am back and it is time to unbox our spring 2021 FabFitFun box. I am wearing that lipstick I got in, I think technically what was the February Ipsy Clam Bag Plus. We're a little behind on mail here still. And it is bright. I like it, it's just so bold and I don't know how I feel about it. I think I like it, we'll see. Anyways, there is a sticker on here that says your add-ons are inside. I don't really remember what I added on, so whoops. But we will explore this together. Let's see. Some other things, if you're new to FabFitFun, it is a quarterly subscription box. Things are seasonal, so you'll get, I don't even know how many items. I'm clearly not sponsored, but you'll get some stuff and it's seasonal. And if you sign up for the year, you get to pick most of your items. There are like 2 or 3 items, I believe, that FabFitFun picks for you. But the rest of it, you get to pick yourself. And depending on what type of plan you've signed up for, it depends on how many items you get to pick. So the first thing I see, I think, is the invoice for the thing I bought, which, oh, the extra thing I bought was the Aloe Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. I remember this now. It's because when you are going through your seasonal choices, depending on what you pick, you are sometimes allowed to pick extra choices in each category for additional fee, but it's cheaper than what the product actually would be. So I apparently chose to purchase on top of the normal spring FabFitFun box, the Aloe Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. That being said, let's dig into this. So the first thing I'm seeing here is Grow Forth, and oh, it's just an affiliate code. If you're interested, put it in the comments down below and I'll send it to you. It just gets you $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I don't get anything from it, but if you're interested, just comment down below and I'll put it down there. The next thing I see are some stickers, which these are pretty cute, if I do say so myself. I don't really use stickers a whole lot, but I do really like this Grow Forth one. I might end up putting that one on my laptop. Oh, there's also It's Your Time to Bloom. Anyways, moving forward, this is the catalog. So there are articles in here, but it also gives you the price point of all the items that are in your box in all the different categories. I was actually watching, I want to say it's Meg Love. I'll put it in the description box down below. She is sponsored, and for all the sponsored people, they aren't actually even sending this in paper anymore. They're just sending it electronically to help save trees. So kudos to them. Next, it's just kind of a mishmash of different things. So next is the normal HelloFresh sponsor coupon. This one is a little different because this one says 13 free meals, but normally those free meals are spread over the course of X amount of boxes. So let's see. Offer only valid for new customers with an auto-renewal subscription purchase. 13 free meals is based on a total discount of approximately $117 that shall apply over a 4-week period of a minimum order of 2 meals for 4 people per week. Okay. Oh, it says 13 meals across 4 boxes, including free shipping. So this might be the best HelloFresh offer I've ever gotten. So I don't know, maybe we'll check it out. Don't know. And then the next thing is a coupon for Nourish, which are daily vitamins and supplements that are personalized to you. It's a 30% off coupon. Okay, interesting. It's the first time we've ever gotten anything like this. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm seeing here, I think, is a nail polish. So it says, be your incredible self with Nails Inc. London, and it is in the shade Mayfair Lane. So I really like that because it's kind of nudie, but it's also kind of pinky, and it's really great for spring. I'm gonna have to play around with this. I might actually do my nails. The next item I'm seeing, which I think this is the add-on that I bought. It is the famous Black Soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar by Aloe. And it says how to use directly after the cleansing oil of your choice as part of your double cleanse ritual, or simply use the bar alone. Dampen the bar under warm water, gently massage the wet bar over your face, massage face and neck with fingertips, rinse and pat skin dry, use morning and night. So I do currently use the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I try to use it twice a week, but my skin gets a little irritated if I use it twice a week. So I for sure use it once a week because I love how baby smooth it makes my face feel. But if I use it too often, I know it's recommended twice a week, but I honestly probably only do it once a week because my skin kind of reacts to it. The next thing I'm seeing, which I know this is something I picked and I'm very excited about it, it is the Short Stories LED Indoor Planter, and it came with a little packet of basil seeds. So I use this app called Me Lime, like a lot. I don't use it because I'm like vegan or vegetarian or anything, but I do like how easy it makes cooking dinner, and we're more likely to stay in and cook than go out and eat. And they're always, well, not always, but a lot of the times the recipes call for fresh herbs, which fresh herbs are money. So usually we just replace them with the dried herbs. But it would be really nice if we just had fresh herbs in our little indoor planter like this. So I'll have to play around with that and see how that works out. The next item I'm seeing is the MAC Powder Kiss Lipstick in the shade Work, Work, Work. I think I picked this out, and I think there are two of them actually. Here's the second one. The second shade is Reverence. So I do remember picking these out. I don't really need more lippies, but I must have not liked a whole lot of the other things in that category because I really, really do not need more lippies, but let's see these shades. So one is your very typical red, which again, I don't really need red, so I might end up giving this to a friend, or maybe I'll sell it in my Poshmark shop, we'll see. And then this other shade, so the red one was Work, Work, Work. This other shade is like this beautiful neutral or nude. I really like this one. So I think this is the reason why I probably chose this one, is for this shade alone. But the red one, there's a decent chance I am just probably gonna try to sell, if I'm gonna be honest. I don't need another red lippy. I very rarely wear red anyways. Now that the state of Texas is opening back up, maybe I'll start again, even though I will be wearing my mask for the foreseeable future. The next item I'm seeing are these daisy looking hair clips. I don't think I chose these, but clearly I like me some hair clips, especially since my hair is getting long AF. I still haven't found a new hairstylist. My old one quit at the start of COVID, and it's just been really hard to find one who gets me. So this is what they look like. I don't know how I feel about these. I kind of like them, but at the same time, I have concerns. They look a little too youth-like, if you will. I feel like I'm a grown-ass woman, and I don't know how I feel about these daisies, but we'll see. The next item I'm seeing is the Ahava Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. I chose this out of all the other items in that category because I think I was running low on face cleanser, honestly. I don't remember what else is in that category. But I do like Ahava, and I didn't need a face cleanser, so I'm pretty happy with that. The next one, I'm like 90% sure this is one that FabFitFun chose for me. It is the Suns Out, Pouts Out 4 pieces of gold foil lip masks, which I've never done a lip mask before, so I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like this would have been great maybe like a couple months ago, but since Texas is already kind of like, I know we had like a devastating snowstorm like a couple weeks ago, but it's like 70 degrees now. So clearly winter is over. But yeah, this would have been helpful a couple weeks ago. I'll end up trying it out. And then the last item I am seeing is the Halston Aloe Infused Gel Line Sock in Pumice Stone. So I love me, that is not my last product, but we'll talk about that in a minute. So I love me aloe infused socks because my feet get ratchet like so fast. I don't know how I feel about the pumice stone with them, but I ain't mad. So as someone who frequently purchases aloe infused socks, oh, these are interesting. So these are very different than any aloe infused socks I've ever purchased, because normally I just like get them at like Bath and Body Works when they have them seasonally, or I'll get them at Walmart because they usually always have them at Christmas, and they're just like a really soft sock. These are a little different because the inside is this like, it's almost like a gel, which is, I almost just feel like it makes your feet sweaty, and then your feet are like magically soft. But I'm gonna trust that there's aloe in here. I'm like kind of feeling the liner of the sock to see if like I get, It smells good. Interesting. Oh, wow. Okay, I should stop messing with it because like the gel is like kind of coming apart. So it's not just rubber, it's some sort of something else. Let's see what the instructions say. So it says you can wash them, the socks, but you do it gently in cold water, and you do not throw them in the washer. It says hand wash. And then it says line dry, do not expose to sun. It says it's good for 40 uses. So it says you can use it with a pumice stone, or you can just use it separately. Let's check this bad boy out. Oh, it's wrapped in plastic. But it is on a little string, so I like that. I could like feel like I could hang it up in the shower and just like reach for it. So I'm pretty excited about these. I love me some Aloe infused socks. And then, okay, for real, I think this next item is the last item, and it is a ring from Joy Dravecki, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I'm sorry if I butchered that. I love rings. So this one I thought was really pretty. I think it's supposed to be a moon stone instead of a mood stone. But look at that. I thought that was really pretty. I know it kind of comes across as like slightly engagement ringy, but I don't know. It kind of does and it doesn't, because I've been getting a lot of ads for engagement rings lately because I've been browsing through them trying to figure out what I like. And for some reason I keep getting moonstone engagement ring ads, and I don't really like the moonstone part of it, but I usually like the setting of whatever the moonstone is in. So whatever that says about me, I don't really care. And now I'm just going to check really quickly to make sure nothing else is hiding in this packaging. Something Sophie will be just minorly upset about. If you do get FabFitFun, normally it comes with those shredded paper confetti, and Sophie really likes playing with that, but this box did not come with that, which I know FabFitFun has released statements saying they're trying to decrease their eco footprint or carbon footprint. So I understand why Sophie's just gonna be disappointed. So FabFitFun will have to explain that to my cat, because I will be unable to. Anyways, if you stuck around this long, thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, consider doing the thing that suggests my video to other people by liking and subscribing and sharing. It makes the YouTube algorithm just really happy, I guess. And stay safe out there, and hopefully it is warming up in a state near you as like it is here. Thank you so much for watching.